Here I am giving you full guide of makeup on beach makeup look. So here I am using moisturizer. After that I am using this Lakme CC cream for a natural dewy makeup. So I am blending with this brush. Here I am doing the viral contour trick, which I really don't like because on my forehead it shows very bad. And look at me, I am blending it very badly. After so much blending, it's look good. Finally, okay, here I'm doing my eye makeup with the orange eyeshadow on my outer corner, and then I'm using the glitter eyeshadow for inner corner. It's look more good and naturally. After this, I'm applying the wing eyeliner. Here I'm using Maybelline mascara. Here I'm using the Creamy Plus. This is a so pigmented and it looks so beautiful, peachy and glowy. So I'm blending it with upper direction. It looks so pretty and natural. For lips, I'm doing some outliner and some gloss. And here is my makeup look done.